5e fraction simplify. So first of all I want to tell you, in this exercise we will use BODMAS rule. BODMAS. Okay. First we'll open bracket, then we'll simplify of, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. At last we have to simplify subtraction. Okay. Now here 3 upon 4 of 6 1 ja 6 6 1 ja 6. It is 5 upon 7. Now we'll make denominator same. How? By finding LCM. 2 2s are 4, 7 not divisible, so we'll write it same. 2 1s are 2, 2 7, 7 1s are 1s are. Then LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 7 equal to 28. We have to make denominator 28 by multiplying 7 up and down. Minus 5 upon 7 and multiply by 4 to make it 28. We will multiply by 4. Okay. Then 21 upon 28 minus 20 upon 28. It will be 1 upon 28. This is the answer. Okay. Again I am telling 6 we will cancel. Okay. Then 3 upon 4, 5 upon 7. Okay. These are co-prime number, dear students. So multiplication of both number is the LCM of both numbers. But then also we will find the LCM and we will make denominator same. Then we will subtract by, because negative sign is there. Okay. 21 minus 20 equal to 1 upon 28. This question number 3. We have to solve. Okay. We have to simplify. Then 3 3 we can cancel. 3 1s are 3 1s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Okay. So 1 upon 2, this plus 5 upon 6. Sign of division we will convert in sign into sign of multiplication. Then we will write the reciprocal of this, 12 upon 7. Then 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. It is 1 upon 2 plus 10 upon 7. Okay, dear student. Now what to do? These are co-prime numbers because there is no any common factor. Or we will do multiply. First find LCM. 2 1s are 2, 7 7 1s are 1 ja. LCM equal to 2 into 7 equal to 14. So multiply it by 7 plus 10 by 7 into 2. Then we will get 7 upon 14 plus 20 upon 14. Then 7 denominators are same, so we can add numerators. It is 27 upon 14. Now 27 14 1s are 14, 13 remainder, then 1 whole 13 upon 14. This is the answer. Okay, dear students. Question number 5. 4 upon 5 of Miss multiply. We'll solve this. 4 upon 9, then 2 upon 3. We'll make denominator same. So multiply by 3 up and down. Divide it by 2 whole 2 upon 3. 3 to 6 to 8 upon 3. Okay. Then 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 9 plus 6 upon 9 is divided by 8 upon 3. So 4 upon 5 into 10 upon 9. When we will convert it in sign of division into sign of multiplication, then we will write the reciprocal of this. 4 1s are 4 2s are, 3 1s are 3 3s are, 5 1s are 5 2s are, 2 1s are 2 1s are. Then it is 1 upon 3. This is the answer. Okay, dear students. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3, bracket close, is divided by 1 whole 5 upon 6 into 11 minus 3 whole 1 upon 2. So what to do here? See, 1 upon 2 multiply to make denominator same, we'll multiply by 3 up and down. 1 upon 3 to make denominator same, we'll multiply up and down by 2. Okay, 3 2 is 6, 2 3 is 6. Okay, is divided by 6 1 is 6 plus 5 11 upon 6 into 11 minus 3 whole 1 upon 2 means 2 3 is 6 1 7 upon 2. It is in improper form. It is 3 upon 6 minus plus 2 upon 6. When we convert sign of division into sign of multiplication, then we will write the reciprocal of this. Okay, minus 7 upon 2. 11 1 is 11. Okay, then 3 plus 2 5 upon 6 into 6 1 is 6. Okay, why we did this? Division into sign of multiplication we will convert. Why? Because division then multiplication. First division then we will multiply. We will not multiply here. First we will simplify division. Okay, then we will multiply. Okay, that's why we didn't multiply this and this. First we will simplify division then multiplication. Okay, then minus 7 upon 2, 6 cancel, then it is 5 upon 1 minus 7 upon 2. Again make denominator same, multiply by 2 minus 7 upon 2, it is 10 upon 2 minus 7 upon 2 equal to 3 upon 2. Why? 7 minus 10 minus 7 equal to 3 upon 2. Okay, denominator system. When we will divide 3 by 2, 2 ones are 2. So we can write 1 whole 1 upon 2. This is the answer. Okay.